Ecosystems in crisis, the impact of climate change and the path to resilience. Our planet is an intricate mosaic of ecosystems, each one brimming with life and bound by the delicate threads of nature. From the towering trees of the Amazon rainforest to the vibrant coral reefs of the Pacific Ocean, these ecosystems form the backbone of life on Earth, shaping our climate, supporting countless species, and sustaining human societies. Ecosystems are more than just collections of plants and animals. They are dynamic communities where living organisms interact with non-living elements like soil, water, and air, creating a network of life that supports biodiversity. These systems perform vital functions, known as ecosystem services, which include everything from pollination and water purification to climate regulation and soil fertility. Ecosystem services are the hidden forces that sustain our world. Pollinators such as bees and butterflies are crucial for food production, helping to fertilize crops that feed billions. Wetlands act as nature's kidneys, filtering pollutants and purifying the water we drink. Forests, often referred to as the lungs of the planet, absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, playing a critical role in regulating our climate. Meanwhile, oceans not only support marine life but also help moderate global temperatures and produce more than half of the oxygen we breathe. Forests provide habitats for countless species, recycle nutrients, and act as carbon sinks that help mitigate climate change. Oceans support a complex web of marine life, regulate weather patterns, and act as major carbon sinks. Wetlands are hotspots of biodiversity, providing habitat for fish, birds, and amphibians while protecting against floods. Deserts, though seemingly barren, are home to specialized life forms and contribute to nutrient cycling through processes like wind-driven soil erosion. However, these ecosystems are increasingly under threat from climate change. Rising global temperatures, changing weather patterns, and ocean acidification are pushing ecosystems beyond their capacity to adapt, disrupting the delicate balance that sustains them. Coral reefs, for instance, are highly sensitive to rising sea temperatures. When water temperatures increase, corals expel the algae that live within their tissues, a process known as coral bleaching. Without these algae, corals lose their vibrant colors and their main source of nutrition, weakening the entire reef system. Meanwhile, in the Arctic, melting ice is shrinking the habitats of polar bears and seals, forcing them to travel further for food and threatening their survival. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense, damaging ecosystems on a massive scale. Wildfires fueled by hotter, drier conditions are burning larger areas of forest, destroying habitats, and releasing stored carbon back into the atmosphere. Floods and storms erode soil, uproot trees, and disrupt the natural processes that keep ecosystems healthy. To survive these changes, ecosystems need resilience, the ability to withstand, adapt, and recover from disturbances. Resilient ecosystems are like nature's safety nets. They can bounce back from shocks and continue to function, supporting the biodiversity and ecosystem services that we all rely on. Biodiversity is a key component of resilience. Ecosystems with high biodiversity are more stable because they have multiple species that can perform the same roles. If one species is affected by climate change, others can step in, maintaining the balance. Complex structures, such as old-growth forests with multiple layers of vegetation, provide diverse habitats and microclimates that help buffer against environmental changes. Connectivity between habitats, like wildlife corridors, allows species to migrate to more suitable environments, helping them adapt to new conditions. Promoting resilience involves protecting and restoring natural habitats, enhancing biodiversity, and implementing sustainable management practices. Reforestation projects help restore degraded landscapes, increasing biodiversity and carbon sequestration. Marine protected areas safeguard vulnerable ocean ecosystems, allowing them to recover from overfishing and pollution. Sustainable agriculture and forestry practices reduce environmental impacts, preserving soil health and water resources. Community involvement is crucial. Local actions, such as reducing pollution, planting native species, and conserving green spaces, help relieve pressure on ecosystems, making them more resilient. By integrating traditional knowledge with modern conservation efforts, we can develop effective strategies to protect the natural world. The health of our ecosystems is intimately tied to our own. By fostering resilience in nature, we are investing in a sustainable future where humans and wildlife can coexist. Together, we can protect these vital systems, ensuring that they continue to provide the services that make life on Earth possible.